Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
All are,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon. All are happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, Blesswin, can you tell me what we were learning last class? What we are learning now?
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, Fia. I'm asking Blesswin. Blesswin, can you hear? Huh?
Division.
Division. Okay. In division. Okay. Please mute. We learned divisibility rules. Okay. Now I will ask each number. You have to tell me. Only those children are advised to unmute. All others, please mute. And I will ask the numbers. You have to tell me the divisibility rule of that number only. Okay. Chris Joe, I want you to tell me the divisibility rule for number 2. Chris Joe.
If the digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8.
If the last digit, that is digit in the unit, I think some connection problem is there. If the last digit, that is unit place, if it is an even number, or we can say if it is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, that means that a given number is divisible by 2. Okay. Adina, divisibility rule for 3.
Ma'am,
Uh,
we should add the sum of the digits, and that sum should be divisible by 3.
okay. We children, I will just mute. Then I will call one by one. Then you can unmute and speak. Okay. So children, Adina told what is the divisibility rule for 3. That is, we have to add all the digits. Add all the digits of the given number. Then if it is divisible by 3, that means the given number as a whole, it is also can be divided by 3. Okay. Rohit,
Yes, ma'am.
divisibility rule for number 4.
If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then it's divisible by 4.
If the last two digits, if the given last two digits are divisible by 4, then it is divisible by 4. Otherwise, one more thing is there. Okay, who can tell me that? Ammu? Rohit, Rohit told that's clear. That is correct only. But if the last two digits, we can check one more time. The divisibility rule of 4, it's not complete.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, you asked me to unmute.
yes.
Ma'am,
I called. 1 minute, 1 minute. So I'm calling. Okay, Agne. Who told that divisibility rule of 4? And Agne, please unmute and speak.
Rohit.
Rohit told. What's the divisibility rule for 4?
If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then it is divisible by 4.
Okay, if the
If the
last, yes, if the
if the
last
last two digit is also 0,
0,
then
okay,
it
okay.
is divisible
The
by 4.
last two digits, okay, if the last two digits, if it is divisible by 4, then it is divisible by 4. Also, if the last two digits are zeros, then also we can say that number is divisible by 4.
4.
Okay, now, okay, Rohit, if the last two digits are 20, last two digit is 0 also, then we can say that is divisible by 4. Okay, Anthony, divisibility rule of 5.
Ma'am, last digit is 0 or 5. It is divisible by 5.
Last two digits, no need. Only
No,
one.
one digit.
Last
Sorry,
one.
ma'am.
Okay.
One digit.
Last one digit is
It is 0
5.
or 5.
0. 5
Divisible
or
by,
0. Then we can say that number is
divisible by 5.
by 5. Okay. Catherine, can you please tell me? Catherine, divisibility rule of 6. Catherine, yes. Unmute. Catherine. Yes, Catherine, please unmute. Is there any problem? Okay, Fia, please unmute. Fia. Divisibility rule for 6.
If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6.
Okay, if the don't make, I will have to ask you one more question. Okay, so if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then that means that given number is divisible by 6. Okay, what is the rule for 2? Can you say, repeat one more time? Rule for 2?
Ma'am, I should do.
You have to tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
You told me what? Divisibility rule of 6. That means it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. So can you repeat what is the rule for 2 and 3?
The rule of 2. If the
For 2,
last digit is even.
if the last digit is even, then it is divisible by 2. Okay. What about divisibility rule for number 3?
The rule of 3. Number 3. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3.
Okay. If the sum of all the digits in the given number is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Okay. So divisibility rule for 6 is that it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Both 2 and 3. Okay, very good. Very good, Fia. Okay, Angelina. Divisibility rule of what is left now? It's Angelina, please unmute. Yes.
9, ma'am.
9. Okay, can you tell me the divisibility rule for 9?
If the sum of the digits of the number must be divisible by 9.
If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by
9.
Okay, very good, very good. Harsha, the last one, very easy one. Harsha, divisibility rule for 10. Divisibility rule for
Last number should be 0.
The last digit, if it is 0, then that means it is divisible by 10. If the last digit is 0, then we can also say that it is divisible by 2. Yes, who is speaking? Children, what Harsha told, if
Excuse me,
that
ma'am, your sound is very low.
low. I think my sound is, I can hear my sound as children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. But sometimes your voice is
Ma'am.
Now it's okay?
sometimes. Yes, ma'am. It's okay, but sometimes
Ma'am,
the
it
voice
is
will be
okay.
breaking.
Okay, sometimes means maybe.
Ma'am, it's okay.
Okay, so children, so we are saying, Harsha told that if the last digit is 0, it is divisible by 10. Also, if the last digit is 0, it is divisible by 2. Okay, because that is an even number. So if it is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we can also say that it is divisible by 2 and 10. Okay, so children, can you, I think, Anthony, tell me which question we have finished in our workbook last class?
Ma'am, last class we finished up to 18 question.
Question 18 is over. Okay, so can you read
18.
question number
Yes,
19?
ma'am.
19.
Keshava
Keshav.
has 3,125 plants. He planted them in rows, each row with 25 plants. How many rows were there? Also check for the correction of division.
Okay, so Keshav has 3,125 plants. He planted them in rows, each row with 25 plants. How many rows were there? Also check for the correctness of division. Okay, Devak, tell me what we have to do. We have to use divisibility rule, or you, Anthony, you can mute. Okay, children, this is a word problem and you have to understand the problem. Is this problem to use the divisibility rule or to divide?
Divide.
Divide. Okay, children, the question is, he planted them in rows and each row with 25, and we have not learned divisibility rule also for 25. So what we have to do, we have to use actual division. So children, can we do this question together? All of you have to write the sentences. We can do together. Okay.
Ma'am, can you mute?
Yes, yes. Madhav, can you tell me, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Keshav has 3,125 plants. So what can we write as the first step?
Number of plants.
Or we can number of plants. Okay, number of plants. All of you can write, or you can write total number of plants Keshav has, or just number of, can we write together, children? Start writing. 1 minute, I'll use another color. Okay. Number of plants. Number of plants. Children, you can see that question here. The number of plants is what? 3,125. 3,125. Okay. So next, Anina, can you please unmute and tell me what will be the next step? He planted them in rows, each row with 25 plants. That is the next line. So in the second line, what you can be written as a second step?
How many number of rows he should plant?
It's a question or answer. How many can we use? Yes, Agnay, please.
25.
25 is that okay, but you are asking like a question. So what can we write, Agnay? Yes.
Number of plants in each row.
Very good. Number of plants in each row. Okay. Number of plants. Number of plants in each row. In each row, that is given as here 25 plants. So we can write that as 25. Now what we have to find out, how many rows were there? So what we have to find out? Next step, Gautam. What we have to find out?
Ma'am, we should divide.
But what can we write as a step? How many rows were there? That is a question. So what can we write as a step?
Total number of rows.
We can write just as number of rows. Okay, children, you can write number of rows. Number of rows. So we have to divide. Yes, 3,125 divided by 25. All the children find out.
Ma'am, we should do it in the draft book or workbook.
You can write in the side. Okay, you can write on the side. So children, you told me that we have to find out, and it is given as the number of plants is 3,125. Number of plants in each row is given as 25, and number of rows we had to find out. All the children, yes, you can do alone. 3,125 divided by 25. Okay, Richard, can we start? All the children, please do alone. Okay, Richard, please unmute. We can complete this question now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the table of 25? We can write here. 25 into 1
is equal to 25.
Yes. 25 times 2.
50.
50. 25 times 2 is 50. Okay. Now 25 times 3.
75.
75. Okay. We can start. We can start the multiplication. Okay. Okay. We will write a little more. 25 into 4. What is 25 into 4? Yes, Richard.
100.
Continue. 100. Very good. And 25 into 5.
125.
125. Okay. So since this is a divisor is 2 digit. Okay. We have to compare the first 2 digits. Okay. So that is 31. So can we divide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that means we will compare 25 and 31. So 31 is bigger than 25. So tell me how many times? Look at the 25 into 1. 25 1 is 25. So 25 into 1 is 25. Okay, now what we have to do?
Subtract.
Subtract. Very good. Okay, tell me 31 minus 25.
So we should borrow from
Okay, we can borrow, and here 2 here it's
So,
11. Okay,
3 become 2 and 1 will become 11.
11. 11 minus 5.
10 minus 5 is equal to 6.
6. Okay, so the remainder is 6. So when we compared, what now next what we have to do?
Bring down 2.
Bring down 2. Very good. 62. Okay, now look at the table and tell me how many times we can. Here we have 25 into 2 is 50 and 25 into 3 is 75. Which one we have can take?
25 into 2 is
25 into 2, that is 50.
equal to
25.
50.
Okay. Then what we have to do?
Subtract.
Subtract. Okay, 2 minus 0.
0. No, 2.
2. Very good. 6 minus 5.
1.
1. Now what we have to do? We have to compare the remainder. Here 12 and 25. So we cannot subtract. So what we have to do the next
Bring
step?
Bring
Huh?
down.
Bring down 5. So we have 125. Now look at the table. Is there any 125? Is there?
25 into 5.
Yes. Look at the table. We have 25 into 5. So the
125.
answer is
125.
125. So our remainder is 0. Okay, so what's the answer? Number of rows. So the plants we have 3,125. Number of plants in each row is 25. So we have found out the answer. Number of rows. How many number of rows?
125 rows.
125 rows. Okay. So now, Anthony, please check the last sentence. Is there anything we have to do? How many rows were there? So we got the answer.
The number of rows is equal.
No, can you read the question again?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Check the answer.
Also check for the correctness of
Division.
Check. Can you tell me how to check the correctness of division?
Yes, ma'am. Quotient into divisor plus remainder
Will be equal to
dividend. But it's correct. Last is 0, right?
Last zeros, but you have to multiply and find out. So all the children do alone. Correct. Correctness of. Okay, please do. All of you do alone. Check the correctness. So you can write our formula. Dividend should be equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Okay, Anandesh, can you please tell me what is the quotient? Yes, Anandesh, please unmute. What is the quotient? 125. 100. 100.
We should write the formula.
We can write. If you write 2-3 times now, it will be. Okay, tell me 125. What is divisor?
25.
25. And what is the remainder?
0.
0. Okay. Now multiply 125 and 25 and check whether you are getting dividend. All of you, please.
That's correct.
Correct. So the answer is we are getting 3,125. So our division is correct. Okay, children, completed? Yes.
Can you share the screen again?
Okay, share the screen again. I will show you one more time. Okay, now Isha, can you read question number 20?
Bala shares 522 chocolates with his friends. If he gives 2, 3, 4, 5, or 10 chocolates to each friend, will all the chocolates be shared?
Okay, Bala shares 500 chocolates with his friends. If he gives 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10 chocolates to each friend, will all the chocolates be shared? Isha, can you tell me which method we have to actually divide, or we have to use divisibility rules?
We should use divisibility rules.
Very good. We should use divisibility rules. Okay. So Diya, can you please, children, one more time we are repeating the divisibility rules of all these, so it will be clear for you. Okay, Diya, can you tell me the divisibility rule for 2? Yes, Diya. Please unmute. Diya, please unmute and speak.
One more. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The ones digit of the given number must be 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8.
8. Okay, very good. So the divisibility rule
So
says,
then it will be divisible by 2.
so why 522, is it divisible by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because the last digit is even number. Okay, very good. Okay. Now, Felix, can you please tell me the divisibility rule for 3? Felix? Please unmute and speak. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Divisibility rule for 3.
The sum of the digits of the given number must be divisible by 3.
If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the given number is, okay. Can you add this 5 plus 2 plus 2 and tell me? 5 plus 2?
5 plus 2. 7.
7 plus 2?
9.
9. Is it divisible by 3? 9 is divisible
Yes,
by 3?
ma'am.
Yes. So our given number 522 is divisible by 3. So Bala can share by to his friends by giving 2 and 3. Okay, very good. Okay, now is that Chinmay, can you tell me the question is yes, it is 4. Whether 522 is divisible by 4, we have to check. Okay. Chinmay, what is the divisibility rule for number 4?
We have to check if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4.
Last 2 digits are divisible by 4, or last 2 digit will be
0.
0. Okay. Now the last 2 digits. What is the last 2 digits here?
22.
22. Is it divisible by 4?
No.
No. Okay. We know the tables. In the table of 4, after 20, it is 24. So is it divisible by 4? 522?
No.
No. So the given number is not divisible by
4.
4. Okay, Angelina, we have to check, is it divisible by 5? Which question? 522. So what is the rule for 5? The last digit
should be a 0 or 5. Then it is divisible by 5.
Last digit should be 0 or 5. Is 522 divisible? No, no. Okay, very good. Why? Because here the last digit is 5. It's not 5. It's not 0. Last digit is 2. So that is not divisible. Okay. Now, Alok, one more thing. Only with the last one. If last, where is Alok? Yes, please unmute. Alok. The last digit. One more thing is there we had to. Alok, can you please unmute? Alok, video is stuck. Okay. Anadesh. 522, we have to check whether it is divisible by 10. Okay, can you tell me the divisibility rule for 10?
If the last digit should be 0.
If the last digit is 0, that means that given number is divisible by 10. So 522, is it divisible by 10?
No, ma'am.
So, okay, very good. So we have discussed all the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. Now we have to write this in sentences. So children, please take out your question number 20. We are going to. Okay, please take question number 20. Okay, So this is question number 20. Bala shares 522 chocolates with his friends. So Anthony, tell me one more time. Which method we have to actually divide by these numbers, or we have to use divisibility rules?
Divisibility rules.
Yes, we have to use divisibility rules because we have learned already all these divisibility rules of these numbers, and by looking at the number, it's very clear. Is it divisible by these numbers? Okay. So children, first what we can write as a step, Agnay, for what is a Bala shares 522 chocolates. Can you tell me first step what we can write? Yes, Agnay, please unmute. What can be the first step?
Number of chocolates Bala shares with his friends.
Okay, so we can write, we have how many here? 522. Number of chocolates. Okay, children, write neatly. Number of chocolates. We can make it short. Number of chocolates that Bala has or shares that Bala has. So that is 522. So we have to check whether it is divisible by 2. So 500, divisibility rule of 2, what it says? If the last digit, okay, the last digit is an even number, so 522 is divisible by 2. By 2. Okay. Now, Srihari, can you tell me please one more time the divisibility rule for 3? Srihari, please unmute. Srihari's video is stuck. Adinad, can you please unmute and speak? The divisibility rule of 3. We told already, you know, what is the divisibility rule for number 3?
We should add the sum of all digits and
Okay.
look whether it's divisible by 3.
Sum of digits. Okay, sum of digits. Can you tell me the sum of digits?
Yes,
Sum of
9.
digits. 5 plus 2 plus 2 will
plus
equal to
2.
9. Okay. So that is divisible by 3. Sum of digit is 9 and is divisible by 3. So 522 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Okay. And what about Chinmay? Divisibility rule for 4?
The last two digits should be divisible by 4.
And you told me that is it divisible by 4?
No.
No, because the last two digit. Okay. So the last digit is not divisible by 4. So 522 is not divisible by 4. You can write in the bracket 22 is not divisible by 4. You can write in the bracket 22 is not divisible.
And can I mute my audio?
Yes, yes, divisible by 4. So 22 is not divisible by 4. So this is not divisible by 4. Now you can check 5 and 10 together. 5 and 10. It is not divisible by 522 is not divisible by 5 and 10. You can write that also in the bracket because last digit is not 5 or 0. 5 or 0. So we have discussed the divisibility rules. So the given number 522, we have to check whether it is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. If you know the divisibility rules, there is no need of dividing and checking, because we know the rules that will help us to understand whether the given number is divisible. Okay.
Ma'am, show the board. Can you show the board?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Five.
So I will send these notes. Okay, children, please. Now we are going to wind up the session. And before winding up the session, I want children. I will send the notes. Okay. So I will ask one by one again. So what we have discussed the division of 5-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers, and we already know divisibility rules. Okay. Now who can tell me these all divisibility rules together? Yes, Angelina. Please unmute and speak.
If the
Start from number 2. Divisibility rules. Okay.
if the last digit is an even number, it is divisible by 2.
Okay. Then
If the sum
Three.
of the digits of the given number must be divisible by 3.
if it is divisible by 3, that means the given number is divisible by 3. Okay. Then
And the last
4. Divisibility rule for 4.
number must be divisible by 4. Then it is divisible by 4.
One more condition is there. If the last two, if the last two digit is 0, then also it is divisible by 4. Okay. What about 5?
The last digit should be a 0 or 5. Then it is divisible by 5.
If the last digit is 0 or 5, then that means it is divisible by 5. Okay. What about 6?
The number should be divisible by 2 or both the 2 or 3. Then it is divisible by 6.
If it is divisible by both 2 and 3, that means it is divisible by 6. Okay. What about rule of 4? Number 9.
Uh,
9.
The sum of the digits should of the given number must be divisible by 9. Then it is divisible by 9.
If the given number, we have to add that all the digits together, and if the sum is divisible by 9, that means it is divisible by 9. Okay. And 10.
The last digit should be a 0. Then it is divisible by 10.
10. Okay. Agnay, can you say fast one more time? Yes. Okay. Agnay, please say fast. We are going to finish. Yes.
My rule for 2.
Yes.
If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2.
The last digit is an even number, then it is divisible. Yes.
3.
3.
If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3.
The sum of the digit is given divisible by 3. That means the given number is also divisible. Yes.
4. If the last 2 digits is divisible by 4 or both the digits are 0, then it is divisible by 4.
Okay, very good. If the last two digits, if it is if it is divisible by 4 or if it is zeros. Okay, then 5. Rule of
5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5.
5. Okay, and rule for 6.
If the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6.
Okay, it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. And what about 9?
If the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 9.
And the last one, 10.
If the last digit is 0, then it is divisible by 10.
Okay. Now, Gautam, can you tell me how we can check whether our division is correct or wrong? Correctness of division.
Ma'am, quotient into
Quotient into divisor.
plus remainder
Remainder should be equal to
is equal to dividend.
dividend. Okay, children. Okay, very good. So, children, we 6.1 we have revising divisibility rules and how to check our division is correct or wrong. Okay, so we will wind up the session. Okay, children. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.